Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the rich and aromatic world of biryani, a beloved dish that has captured hearts and taste buds around the globe for centuries. Biryani's journey begins centuries ago in the royal kitchens of India. These kitchens were known for their opulence and the intricate dishes they produced. The royal chefs would experiment with various spices and ingredients, creating a rich tapestry of flavors that would eventually become the biryani we know today. It's believed to have been brought to the Indian subcontinent by Persian travelers and merchants. These traders not only exchanged goods but also shared their culinary traditions, introducing new cooking techniques and ingredients to the Indian chefs. The word biryani itself is derived from the Persian word biryan, which means fried before cooking. This method of preparation was a significant departure from traditional Indian cooking techniques, adding a unique twist to the dish that set it apart from other rice-based meals. The Mughals, known for their grand feasts and culinary expertise, played a crucial role in popularizing biryani. They perfected the art of layering fragrant basmati rice with marinated meats, spices and herbs, cooking it to perfection in large, ornate pots. As biryani spread across India, each region added its own unique twist, creating a diverse culinary landscape. This beloved dish, with its origins in Persian cuisine, has been embraced and transformed by Indian culture, resulting in a variety of regional specialties that reflect local tastes and ingredients. In Hyderabad, you'll find the rich and spicy Hyderabadi biryani, known for its use of saffron and slow-cooked meat. This version is often cooked in a sealed pot, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a fragrant and hearty dish that is a favorite among locals and visitors alike. In Kolkata, there's the subtle yet flavorful Kolkata biryani, which often includes boiled eggs and potatoes. This unique addition is a nod to the city's historical connections with the Awadhi cuisine of Lucknow, adding a distinct texture and taste that sets it apart from other regional varieties. Each bite offers a delicate balance of spices and ingredients. Today, biryani is a beloved dish enjoyed by millions. Whether it's a special family gathering, a festive celebration, or a quick street food meal, biryani brings people together with its irresistible aroma and taste. From its royal origins, where it was meticulously prepared in the grand kitchens of palaces, to its contemporary variations found in bustling street food stalls and high-end restaurants, biryani is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of cultural fusion and culinary heritage. This beloved dish brings together diverse communities, transcending borders and generations. So, next time you savor a plate of biryani, take a moment to appreciate the intricate blend of spices and flavors, and remember the rich history and tradition that come with every bite. Each mouthful is a journey through time, a celebration of culinary artistry.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the history of biryani, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious stories. Until next time, happy eating.